प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम ABC लिखना सीखेंगे, तो वीडियो को आप लोगों ने पूरा देखना है। A, A for apple. Apple means save. B, B for ball. Ball means game. C, C for cat. Cat means Billy. D, D for dog. Dog means kutta. E, E for egg. Egg means anda. F, F for fish. Fish means मछली. G, G for goat. Goat means बकरी. H, H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J, J for juice. Juice means juice. K, K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L, L for loin. Loin means शेर. M, M for mango. Mango means आम. N, N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O, O for orange. Orange means Malta. P, P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q, Q for queen. Queen means मलका. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S, S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T, T for tiger. Tiger means चीता. U, U for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V, V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W, W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X, X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y, Y for York. York means भैंसा. Z, Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. तो बच्चों, कैसी लगी वीडियो आपको? चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।